Welcome to the Wellness Check-In with Miraval Resorts and Spas, where we get to slow down and check in with our colleagues here at the Miraval properties. I'm Michael Tennant, the creator of Actually Curious, the conversation card game. I created Actually Curious as a tool to foster meaningful connection and spread empathy. The game has grown into a movement for community, social justice, and collective well-being. Our mission with the Wellness Check-In is to provide a guide that anyone can follow to create a safe space for open-hearted discussions that inspire us, motivate us, and lead us to healing and gratitude. Today, I'm excited to be joined by Miraval music expert, Richard Noel. Richard, thank you for joining me in this open conversation about empathy.
Thank you for having me.
All right, so before we get started, tell me a little bit about your journey into working here at Miraval.
Well, I thank you. I really don't consider this as a job. I consider this as really an assignment. And that's what really, inspire me day to day to really come here and do my utmost best to really support the guests that visit the resort. This resort have a special quality of spirituality, oneness, and I could say a real Zen feeling.
Yeah, I can definitely attest to that. Just ever since I've stepped onto the grounds, and I haven't been here long, I've felt that. But I'd also say I'm feeling truly blessed to have had the opportunity to sit in on your session. You spoke about transformation and people coming here to leave changed. And I had the opportunity to join your why session, the What Holds You?
What holds you?
What holds you?
A lot of times we forget what really have us together, what hold us center. We gotta always remember, there's something there that hold us while we are still here.
Yeah.
And we gotta connect with that true essence.
Yeah.
I don't like to use the term that I'm here to help. I'm here to really support people. Let them reconcile, bring them back to their journey by using tones, frequencies, vibration, music, as we call it. Depends on how the session go. Because we are tonal beings. We resonate with different tones, different frequency. And each tone puts you in a specific mindset or frame of mind. So if I hear an emergency vehicle, I know, all right, something is wrong, pull aside, or,
Right.
So there is also healing tones that really put you in a place of reconciliation. And over a period of time, repetitiously, it's open up different dimensions and invoke that healing.
Wow.
The vibrational tone will in you, through you, and as you. Disrupting all negative energy. Just let it go. Let it go. Allow the tones to do its work.
The work that you do to facilitate healing is somewhat what we're inspired by creating this series, the Wellness Check-In, and creating the card game Actually Curious. So I wanted to come up and create the opportunity to slow down with you and to hold you in the way that you held me, in a simple way, in a way that anyone can replicate in a conversation through a card game. So can I have your permission to kick off the game?
Absolutely.
Awesome.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So we're gonna start off the game with a question from our second edition, the Happy Hour edition. This was created to help people explore the things that naturally bring about happy, joyful memories.
Absolutely.
All right, so the question we're gonna explore is, what are 3 crucial routines that you keep?
My night routine is very, very important, because just as how we get excited, I celebrate Christmas, just as how we get excited for Christmas Eve. Eve is the night before, and we're excited for expectation of expecting a gift. Life is a privilege. It's a gift every day. To me, every day we wake up is a special occasion. My morning routine, which is very important, which allow me to set the tones for the day. So my morning routine consists of exercise, meditation, journaling, reading books that is really resonates with me and on my journey.
Yeah.
So I am equipped for the things that is coming my way during the day. Another thing is positive self-talk.
Yeah.
Always convince myself that, all things are possible. Always connect with my inner self,
Right.
Go within or go without.
Yeah.
So that positive self-talk, always encouraging me, to really go to the end of everything before I do it, giving gratitude in advance, and just being mindful. And that's one of the things that the resort here is really cater on.
Yeah.
Mindfulness.
Yeah.
Be mindful of your thoughts, feeling, emotion, mood.
Well, let's take it up a level.
All right, I'm ready.
We're going to go up to the green level of actually curious. And the question we're going to explore here is, what does activism mean to you? Do you consider yourself an activist?
Well, I don't consider myself as an activist, but I consider myself as an ambassador for joy. And I love to see people joyful. So everything that I'm involved in is always, the bottom line is joy.
Yeah.
So my intention is to take joy wheresoever I go, and to remind people that joy is contagious.
Yeah.
When you live in joy, you have an opportunity to really enjoy the privileges of life.
It's funny because your answer is really relates to how I would answer this question, although I would say that I do consider myself an activist. The tool that I'm using is empathy, which I feel relates to the tool that you're bringing to the world to make transformation. You're an ambassador of joy. We need strong positive energy to counteract the darkness that's out there, and to set a momentum toward the joy.
Absolutely.
Okay, Richard, we like to close with a ritual of gratitude. And the question we have to help us do that is, name 3 things you're grateful for and why.
Well, before I answer that question, I really want to share that gratitude is not just a formality. Gratitude is a mental equivalent, meaning that what we are grateful for, we add more. So if I'm grateful for the opportunity for being around like-minded people and for really getting an opportunity to express my gifts and talent in a beautiful place like the Miraval Resort, I will get more of that. So
this question resonates with you.
This question resonates with me. So the first thing I'm really grateful for is my vibrant health. I'm really, really grateful because to me, health is my number one wealth. I must do everything to be in good mental health, physical health, and health in general. So I'm truly grateful for that. The second thing I'm grateful for is my family members who inspire me to continue to go beyond and to continue to exceed many of my other family members and other people's expectation. And the third thing I'm really grateful for is my connection with the divine nature within me.
Richard, we did it. Thank you for joining me in this process of modeling to the community what it's like to slow down, play a game, and use it as an opportunity to connect.
Thank you for having me and trusting me. I truly appreciate that. And it's only going to get better. Peace, love, and joy to you and the family, my brother. All right.